Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This was the video I promised, and I'm going to be telling you one by one the indicators I use. The first one is moving average. Moving average period is 1, shift to 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Now you choose the favorite color of your choice. The color of your choice, that's what you're going to choose. Me, I chose red. All right. When you set them up, you click on save. If you don't save, you're going to lose the setup. Always click on save after setting it up. The next one is moving average again. This time around, period is 30, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to previous indicators data. Previous indicators data. This thing, you just have to make sure you do them exactly the way I do them. Choose the color of your choice. Increase or decrease the thickness of the line. It is entirely your choice. All right. And when you're done, you save. The next one is average directional movement. Average directional movement period is 50. We have 5 levels here: level 5, level 10, level 20, level 35, and level 0. All right. I choose green color. You go ahead and choose any color of your choice, and you click on save. Anytime you finish setting up, you click on save. Else, like I always say, you are going to lose the setups. All right. Just go up there, that place that the root save, then you click on save and you save it. That's it. Okay. Now the next one is another moving average. This moving average this time around is period 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. I choose red. All right. Choose any color of your choice. Feel free to explore your chart. Is your chart. Okay. Now the last one, which is the fifth indicator, is relative strength index. Relative strength index period is 1, apply to close. Levels, we have level 85 and 15. Then I choose blue color. You choose any color of your choice, choose any thickness of your choice, and that will be it. You go ahead and click on save. All right. These are the indicators I use. When you want to trade, make sure you try them in demo. Try them very well in demo. Make sure you've mastered them before you go live. All right. This was the market I entered before I started teaching you or telling you about these indicators. I've already made $12.93. And as a trader, if you make this out of a trade, it's time to close. Don't be greedy. Look out for another opportunity and enter. By the time you do this 3 to 4 times in a day, you must have gotten enough. And that will be it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask your questions.